Yo, chat. What's up? What's up, chat? What's up? Hang in there, chat. Let me make some quick coffee. And yeah, we'll jump into the charts then. Let me just make some coffee for me. Yo, chat. Alright, we swept the first low right there. Uh, let me just. I'll just buy one contract right there. Chat. We have a news at 8:30 and one at 10 a.m. Bro, this coffee is just so bitter. Bro. Let me put on the mic, chat. Put on the mic real quick. Come on. Yeah, right there. All right. Please explain why would you enter. I've been looking for lower prices on uh, previous stream. I was talking about like how you like reverse from there towards upside, but I had my different view on charts. Some when I see some uh, like specific levels being violated, uh, I'll most of the time like shift my bias for that week. So we talked about that yesterday. I told you if I see these lows or some specific lows being broken, then I'll be looking for some shorts, and we might shift our like trend. And uh, during the London sessions, I saw that, and I can't exactly tell you why I entered the trade, but as soon as I saw my PDRs being violated, I know that price is gonna go lower, and where is that low? That's the weekly low on GU, and I'll be looking for that. I just entered two contract right there on GU, and let's see. And these are my PDRs chat, and I can't exactly tell you about this one because it's only for the private students. So yeah, rather than that, there is a like nice solution, a nice explanation behind this trade. We swept that high right there. We broke through this with speed, and we had this like severe right there, and price stepped into that. And yeah, as we have been looking for lower prices, so yeah, I went short. That's the like regular explanation of this trade, but I have my own analysis for this trade. Nice trade. I need to put on my glasses, bro. Yep. And you will see like how price is gonna respect these PDRS strat. Now these PDRS, I'm not gonna show you to the left, but this could be some gaps, this could be some order blocks, this could be some breakers, this could be anything. And yeah, let's just leave that. If we count the pips from there, how much did you capture it already? We already captured like 33.6 pips on this move. I already took that on my personal account. I think I shorted one lot on my personal account, and let me see that position will keep for. I think I'm gonna close my personal trade because we have trapped that low. It's going pretty well though. Yeah, I'll just close the trade, bro. I think I made like 253 bucks on that trade. Yeah, I've been trying to like risk a little on each trade strat. Because I'm trying to improve more in terms of risking trades. Why are you gatekeeping? Lol, bro, because no one's taught me this. It took me like 3.5 years to get this by my own, and this is not something that ICT taught. That PDR matrix I'm using right now, it's not something ICT taught. And if you believe it or not, you go and check my Twitter, I mean X, you're gonna see there are a bunch of like screenshots of my trades that I put on this like PDRs, and you're gonna see how price was respecting all those PDRs. And these are not something that ICT talked about, bro. ICT never like shared this PDA on his channel, bro. I figured that shit out, and I have one another strategy to find out the direction. I told you, bro. I'm doing this in front of all of you all. So yeah, that's why I'm gatekeeping, bro. I'm not gonna give it for free. I'm already giving enough for free, but you have to put on the work, bro. How would you like expect me to give it for free when it took me like 3.5 years to figure this shit out? If you want to learn it, it's okay. You can join the private group. But if you don't want to learn it, then you can just watch the stream, bro. Who give? I don't care about that, bro. How much is your mentorship cost, bro? I never. I think I've, I've, I haven't decided about that, but I'll only gonna like leave a little discount for the first 10 people. Maybe I'll just take like 20 guys for this year. But bro, it's hard to like fucking teach on one-on-one. And bro, just listen to me, chat. You are seeing these so many gurus or mentors teaching their strategies or whatever bullshit they are talking about, and they're costing like tens of thousands of dollars. Go and check out some of them, bro. They're charging like 500 to 1,500 bucks per like uh yeah, per course, bro. And I'm not gonna like charge that kind of money because I know, bro, uh, we are already like in a business like where earning money is very difficult. So I'm not gonna put some huge price for the mentorship, but I'll try to like charge a little bit lower than the others. But I'm not gonna charge you like thousands bucks, bro. Trust me, not even 500 bucks. I'm thinking about that, but bro, I can just sell this for 1,000 bucks if I just make a PDF of it, bro. But listen to me. I'm gonna share it with only few people who really want to learn this, and I'm going to teach them in person. I'll probably have like one-on-one uh, calls for the method, and yeah, you're gonna have to like put 3 months to learn this shit with me. And there's not going to be any PDF or fucking bullshit like that. It's only going to be like me and you over the call. We're going to analyze the chart. I'm going to tell you what's going on, and you're going to keep notes. How much time it take for you to learn ICT? Bro, it took me like, not gonna lie, I just like wasted my first 1.5 years, bro. Not 1.5 years, but 1 years I wasted my fucking time on ICT. I'm not gonna say like his stuff doesn't work, bro. The method I was using to learn his concepts was bullshit, bro. I was like watching all of his strategies, all of his videos, and yeah, keeping notes. I do have the notebook with me till this day, and I was learning everything he was putting on his channel. So I did that almost like a year, and like I got nothing, bro. So after that, I started like uh, not doing any demo trading. I was just tape reading. I was just looking at the screen for hours and hours and hours, bro. um, let me tell you, there was a day when I was in front of my computer like for 14 hours, bro. For 14 hours I was in front of my computer, and I think I didn't even uh, take my meal during uh, while I was like watching the charts that time. And yeah, there was some difficult days I've passed to learn this shit. And when I started like uh, watching the charts more and more and doing these screenshots, watching specific time windows and seeing where price is respecting. That time I saw something, and I found something that was visible to my eyes when I was like in front of the charts. Every time I open a pairs, it used to appear in front of my eyes. So what I did, I took a screenshot every session, every day for 17 weeks straight, and then stored them in a Google Drive. And over time, uh, during weekend, I used to revisit them, and I saw this simple like a correlation between pairs. Then where prices respecting specific levels, I figured that out, bro. And it's not something that you're gonna find anywhere else, bro. That's the truth, bro. Just like ICT said, bro. ICT mentioned this so many times that he doesn't want us to be like copycat. He wants us to like modify the method, and he wants to see how we use his concepts. So yeah, I did my very best to find what suitable for me, and I've got it, bro. Bro, I'm sweating crazy, bro. What the fuck? I'll probably open the joining. I think the next month, not this month, but the next month. I'm gonna open the spots. So yeah, if you want to join, you can slide into the DMs. What do you mean, bro? If you have any problem with my English, then who cares, bro? I already told you guys, I'm here to improve. Bro, this shit is new for me. Try doing this shit for one in your life. Well, English is not even my like first language, bro. It's like second language for me. But still, I'm trying to do this shit, bro. I'm not I'm not gonna. I don't give a fuck who thinks whatever of me. But I'm gonna improve, bro. If I don't even like practice this shit, how am I supposed to improve it? And I don't have any shame about that. If you understand what I'm saying, then that's enough. If you don't, you should watch someone else. I'm not here to impress anybody. I'm here to like help you guys. By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. All right, we have news at 8:30, so there's like 37 minutes left for the news chat. We have GDP news for DXY at 8:30 and unemployment claims. Both both of them are high impact news, and we do have two medium impact news. You can see to the lower right corner. Bro, rewind the video and watch it again. I haven't said anything about ICT, bro. You haven't listened to me properly, bro. There's no one else who respect ICT more than me, bro. This all started with him. What I've said, just go and listen to it. If only learning ICT concepts gonna make you profitable, bro, then you are wrong, bro. There's Bro, if that was like true, then why not everyone profitable, bro? Just tell me that. Bro, why do you think the news will take the market? Bro, I think it's gonna go lower, bro. As the weekly expansion, it should go lower. Good morning, Bernie. See, that's the problem, bro. There's so many fucking models in the industry. Even if you learn ICT concept, there's so fucking like, bro. There are plenty of models, but the real problem is with our head, bro. We are fucked up, bro. The real thing is that even if you have a like good strategy, but you don't stick to a routine or rules, you're gonna fuck it up, bro. And by the way, chat, I'm dropping the new video tonight, uh, where I told you I was not stable this whole week. Something bad happened to me. Like I messed up like so badly, bro. So I had to make that video for you guys so that you do not do the same thing I did. So yeah, I think it's gonna help you a lot, bro. I'm already in the news trade, bro. I do trade news. So I try to like trade the news like I think maybe 2 or 3 hours before the news. I'll put on a trade, bro. My strategy allows me to trade news, and let me tell you one thing. On this channel, I have the oldest video you're gonna see. Is it there still? Go and check that, bro. I like pick the bottom of a weekly candle and got at the highs. Is it there still? Let me see it. Yeah, I think it's there. Is it there? Let me just watch that. Yeah, it's there, I guess. Let me see. Nah, 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 bro. I think it's not there. Where is it? Oh, it was short, bro. Fuck. It was a short video and I've deleted that, bro. Fuck. No, whatever. That's not the point, bro. NZD USD, bro. I'm not gonna pull up NZD USD. Not to be like any mean, but like I was doing this shit just pulling up every fucking chart, and it was like messing up my bias and everything. I was seeing different sheets every time. So I decided to like only trade three pairs: GU, EU, and USDJPY. These are my three pairs I have for Forex, and I have NAS and ES for indices and futures. Bro, I've been saying that also, bro. I have like put on so many fucking psychology videos on this channel. I think one or two of them is enough for anyone. But the problem is we're like very uh, weak-minded, bro. Weak. We're human being. We like most of the time we cannot control ourselves over some sort of things, and we mess it up like. And yeah, that's a fucking problem, bro. And it is hard, bro. It is hard. And ICT mentioned it thousands times that this is not something easy that you wanna learn or do. It's gonna take your fucking time, fucking energy. It's gonna take everything from you. But once you have it, you're gonna have it for a lifetime. Bro, fuck. What did he? Oh, fuck. I think I'm gonna put the stop loss right here. By the way, chat, I took this trade on the live account, and yeah, I already closed the trade there. So yeah, I'll probably not gonna trade for today in a live account, but let's see how far it can go. Let's have a look at euro. Bro, euro is just consolidating, and yeah, chat, euro like hasn't uh, taken out that low. We talked about that. I didn't want to see like euro take out that low. And if we like don't take out that low be during the news, we're gonna go up, bro. And we tap into the discount zone. Let me show you that. Let me show you. We already like tapped into the discount right now. You see that? So if we want to go higher on euro, we probably gonna spool higher when the news hit. But once we take out that low, we'll probably go lower. I don't know, but I think GU at least should take out that low right there. If you see the weekly charts, you're gonna see there's a low on GU too, and I want to see that low being taken, bro. Also for euro, but let's see. We did made a higher high there also. Did we made a higher high? Yeah, we did made a higher high on euro, bro. Mm, yeah, I think, bro, I took the trade on GU because I know GU is gonna be more quicker than euro, and you can see that too. Euro is still consolidating, and that's another thing I know about the price, like which one's gonna move faster than the other. Let's see. We might get stopped out when the news hit. I don't know about this yet, but let me just take this off. They take it off. All right. There's the low chat, and we're fucking taking out that low right there. Where is the fucking low, bro? I already took that low right there. That era like hasn't taken out that low right there, but G already took out that low here, and maybe we're gonna see some SMT from here and then move higher. That could be like first scenario, and another one like we're gonna like move lower. That's just that's my point of view. How did you guys overcome your cycle? First, figure out what's the main problem. First, figure out, is it over trading? Is it like not sticking to your rules? First, figure that out, and you have to like, bro. There are different medicine for different type of sickness. So, yeah. First, you should figure out what's wrong with you. If you have a problem with over trading, uh, I think you should like only take like two trades, one at London session and another one at New York session. After that, just forget about trading, bro. Tell yourself you don't even know how to trade, or either just close the charts and go play with your friends or do something else. As long as you're in front of the charts, you're gonna like your fingers are not gonna stop, bro. And it's gonna take time, bro, to overcome your own Devil, it's gonna take you more time bro, than just having a nice strategy. It's gonna take you a lot more time, bro. Having a strategy is the easiest part in trading, but the hard part is to conquer yourself, bro. All right, we have like 25 minutes left for the news chat, and I don't think it's gonna go up today because we have moved like already like how many points did we move already? We already moved like 30 pips below the opening price, so I think it's gonna continue lower. Let's see. Let's fucking stay chat. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, then yeah, do subscribe. If we hit 20K, I'll try to like bring ICT on this channel. So yeah, sub up, bros. That's one of my dream. I really want to have like sit face to face and talk with ICT, bro. Fuck. Chad, I think I'm gonna cancel my uh, partnership with Atlas, bro. I kind of feel like I'm not gonna do any partnership again with anyone else. Any props. I don't feel like doing this, bro. I don't feel like doing any affiliation with any prop. Alright, fuck, bro, fuck. Let's move the quadrant. Alright, we might tap into the mid section one more time on that. On that, we might tap into this one more time. Maybe we'll close this candle below the that PD area, and then the news candle gonna tap into this. Maybe leave this until then go lower. Let's see. I think I'm gonna buy uh, evaluation with funded futures, bro. My funded futures, I think I'm gonna buy a couple evals with them. That is gonna be my first time like buying futures account. Uh, let's see how that goes, bro. So many of you think like I do not trade futures. We'll see. We'll see that. And I may I'm thinking like making some series on that. How I pass if I pass those account or not. Let's see. I'll just listen to some sounds, bro. Chat, did you guys listen to the new video? I mean, watch the new video I put on the channel. It's like, bro, I told you it's gonna be like more than 40 minutes. And it took me like 2 days to make that, but it does have some good. I'm not gonna tell you, but it has something that you wanna hear, bro. There is something about weekly expansion, then some things ICT talked about like how price when you gonna know price if price gonna reverse or price gonna continue to into a certain directions. It's definitely like, yeah, you should probably listen to that. For me it's still a work in progress. I can have 5 days of winning trades and blow it all in one day, so it's difficult, a big, definitely a big blow, bro. It's the fucking problem with everybody, bro. Like I also have that problem. You see me doing well in this in this live stream every day. I took like but how many loss did I had? I think Tuesday was the like bad day for me. Uh, Within this period of doing live stream with you all, I had like I think I had like 80% of the time I was right about the market, and I did took some good trades in this live stream. But yeah, sometimes I also and there will be some times when you get frustrated and started doing like gambling, bro. And yeah, yeah, bro, that's so fucking true, bro. Overconfidence and over trading, it's like we tell ourselves that you can get it back if we get a loss someday. Well, I don't I that happens to me often, bro. Like if I get a loss someday, someone's like telling in my hand that, bro, you can get it back, just take another trade. And when I like lose that one also, he's gonna be telling me like, take one more. This one's gonna be like in a W. Take one more trade, and I just fucking blew my account, bro. So that's like our inner thoughts, bro. That fuck us up, bro. As MT with DXY on you. What time do you start your streams, bro? There's no specific time, but I try to uh, start the streams at 7 a.m. Eastern EST time, but sometimes it's like 7:30, maybe sometimes it's 8, but most of the time I start the stream uh, close to after 7 a.m. So when the New York session opens for like a Forex, I start streaming, bro. So for me, 7 to 10 a.m. is the New York session for Forex. So that's why I start the stream at 7 a.m. As into DX on you on 1 hour. Yeah, it does have, bro. It does have as into it already talked about that. But we already fucking moved like how many points, bro? It's already moved like 30 points below the opening price, so we might just keep going lower. Let me just take this fucking thing off. Yeah, it already started moving, bro. There's no, bro. The 1 hour S&P doesn't gonna do shit. Like because we're gonna like seek lower prices on both of them. Maybe euro's not gonna move like GU, but we're gonna go down today. We Today is Thursday, so there's only 1 day left for market to complete its price movement below some specific lows, so it's gonna move quicker, bro. We'll see. 2D quest. All right, 2D quest. I'm up this week though. When it price started moving over, price started moving at 6, 7. It's chat. Do you see when the price started moving lower? At 7, bro. 7 a.m. 7:30. But right now it's 8 a.m. candle, and yeah, it started moving on 7 a.m. though. Just when the New York session opens for Forex. Sometimes we move already. That's 32 points. If we count the midnight time, where's the midnight time? That's the midnight time there, right there. If we count from there, it's over 47 points, bro. So it's not gonna, right now it's not gonna go up. Price already moved like 40 pips from the midnight open towards downside. So I think we're not gonna go up. We could like take some retracement, but we're not gonna go up yet. Let's look and see. All right, took one right there. There, bro. Bro, does anyone have like any advice to how to improve your sleep, bro? Does anyone have any advice? Bro, I can sleep well, bro. I don't know why, but I'm having these problems with my sleep, bro. All right, we have like 10 minutes for the news. The red follow news coming at 10 after 10 minutes. Take magnesium. Uh, Bananas have like magnesium though, right? I today I like had coconut water and had bananas, but I'm not seeing any result, bro. Like when I go to sleep, uh, I like close my eyes and someone else is gonna think like I've gone to sleep, but I'll be awake, bro, for hours, bro. At least for 1 hour, I'll be awake on the bed, not doing shit. Just my eyes closed and these weird things like going on my head. I don't know what the fuck is going on with me, but I'm having problems, bro. I'm having real shit problems with my sleep, bro. I do not drink coffee regularly, though I had one right now. That's a 1 spoon of coffee powder, and you have a half glass water right there. So yeah. Yesterday I didn't had any coffee, bro. I either I have coffee or not. I face this problem with my sleep whenever, even when like I went to visit my mom and dad. I couldn't sleep at night, bro. Like there's no noise. Where I'm living right now, there's so much noise around me. Even though I just closed everything in my room right now, but still there's noise coming in. But when I visit my hometown, like there's not even any noise at night, but still I couldn't sleep there also. I don't know. This started happening like a month ago with me. I think it's like 1 month I'm facing this problem. Read before you go to bed, bro. I do not like get that time, bro. Listen, I have to make these videos, then listen to them, then edit them. I think I edit those videos like after dinner, after I finish my meal at night. I try to edit them, probably listen to ICT spaces and extract some parts. If not that, then I'll probably do some scripting for new videos, and I'll probably like uh, pull up some charts and do the analysis for the next day. That's what I do. And after that, I go to sleep. I do not like spend my time watching YouTube videos or Facebook. I just do this shit. But yet, bro, I do have books beside me, bro. I do have books, bro. Someday I decide to read them, but the I read a book, 2 page today, and the next day forget about it, and I don't even want to read it, bro. Like I'm getting like lazy or something like that shit, bro. I think it's because I'm living alone, bro. There's nothing to do else, uh, like doing trading or making videos. I don't have anything else to do right now. After I finish my stream, I'll just like go and cook the meals for me. Maybe like have some snacks. And after that, I don't have any fucking thing to do, bro. I go outside for like 30 minutes and then come back home. Again, sit in front of the desk, edit some videos, and yeah, that's like it, bro. Do you work out? I did 10 push-ups today, bro. I did 10 push-ups today, right after I woke up. Um, just did 10 push-ups, bro. I used to go to the gym, but I don't get that time right now. And yeah, I'm not in the mental situation to do all these things. I'm kind of like defocused with something else, bro. I feel like if I take medicines for good sleep, it's gonna affect my health. That's why I'm afraid to take medicines. I mean, sleeping pills. That's gonna like affect my health. So I'm trying to do it naturally. Like, bro, Chad, let me show you something. I used to go to the gym, bro. When I think I've quit gym like for 3 to 4 months right now. I did work out like for almost 6 months straight. I didn't even like leave Friday off. I used to go to the gym every day after my like uh, 10 to 10 like 12-hour job that I've put before moving out. So after that job, I used to go to the gym. Yeah, this was me when I used to like work out on my workout home, bro. This was me. If you can see that, this was me when I used to work out home. And right now I'm just like so fucking thin, bro. I'm thinner, bro, right now. Fuck. And I'm thinking of going joining the gym again. But let's see. Let's see, Jet. It did, bro. For the 6 months I was in gym, like I used to be like mentally stressed all the time. I didn't had like even after the 12-hour working shift, I used to go to the gym. Then I would like do workout for 1 hours. Even after that, I wasn't like tired when I went to sleep at those times. But right nowadays, I'm just fucking tired all the time, though. I think I'm getting lazy and not using my time properly because I'm doing something, bro, different right now. Yeah, bro, I do not take any pills even when I'm like sick, not like really bad in bad situation. But nowadays people just take pills when I they don't feel like well. But I'm against it also. It like destroy our body cells, which prevent like this sickness. So yeah, I'm against it too. But bro, that's a weird thought, bro. I don't know. Jet, we have like all right, 2 minutes left for the news. Let's see. Let's see. Fucking see, bro. Let's fucking see. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yep, sub up, bro. Sub up. Let's hit 20K before this year. And by the way, chat, I'll be off from streaming for a couple of days. Maybe I think around. Let me see the date. I think starting on maybe Tuesday. I'm not gonna be like yeah Monday. From Monday, I'm not gonna be like streaming straight for 5 to 6 one week. I'll probably take a leave for 1 week. Then I'll be back, bro. But I'll just edit some videos and schedule them for you guys. I already edited one video and scheduled that for you guys. I think we all go through this at one point. Bro, you're twice in my age, bro. Bernie, you're not twice, you're like twice of my age, bro. I think you have a kid like me, bro. Do you have a boy like me? For beginner, which ICT tutorial do you recommend? Recommend, bro. I think start with his own concept, but I think the charter content is gonna really help you. Those are advanced, but the chat. What did I say, bro? What did I fucking say, bro? What did I say? Put some fucking W's in the chat. Those who, yeah, put some fucking W, bro. Right, just move like how many points from the midnight open? It already moved like 64 pips, bro. And we captured like how many points did we capture? Almost 50 points we captured, bro. These are news. It's all we have today. There's a news. All we have today. Yeah, bro. So for beginner, I think you should start with the his oldest videos. All videos, those are like really basics. And after that, when you start to understand those videos, those concepts, you should you're into like learning like for 1 or 2 months. You should watch his 2000 what was it? 2010, I guess 2010 mentorship videos, core content videos, and then if you want to jump, then you can jump to the 2022 mentorship. And then you have like what else? Yeah, his charter content is gonna help you a lot. He's published his charter content very well, bro. For everyone, it's free right now. Chad, do you see the take profit limit order right there? So this is the trade I usually take, this kind of trade for my live account or my prop accounts, because I I really not into like trading 1 minute time frame, because having a 25 point stop loss gives me more room to breathe in, and I don't have to like sit it in front of the charts for hours. So I can just put the order in and put the profit target and stop loss and go do something else. But because of I'm doing these streams, I have to like, bro. Would you like stare at the charts? I pay like at a 1 hour candle. So if I did took out like, or I risked 200 on this trade and I made like 300 bucks on the personal account. But if I held on to that trade, bro, it was like 1,000 bucks, bro. Just risking 300. So it was, no, risking 200. So it was like 1:5 a trade. 2022 model you using this rate? No. That's the basic explanation of this setup. You can say it's a 2022 model. We swipe the high, broke below this low, we tap into this, CB right there, we go short. Do you see the PDRA? Do you see that where I entered? Not on the fair value, not on this, something else. Just look at that. I could have entered there, but when I opened the chart, price already moved below this low right here, and when I was looking at the chart, price was around here, not on that, but around here. So I pull up the 30-minute chart and went short 2 times. First on that candle, second on that candle. 2022 model. There's fucking bro, it moved like so fucking well. All right, have we taken out that? All right, so we're going lower. We're not gonna shift our bias right now. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. What the fuck? All right, what do we have? Let me give you the where euro can go at least. So euro in discount zone right now, and already like tapped into this order block. Um, let me just, yeah, this is the lowest on the weekly candle. That's the low of the, that's the close, and that's the opening of that down close candle. And if we go to a daily charts, I think it might take out that low. I don't want to see this low being taken. Let me just put it on. Why? But I can't tell you that. I don't. I'm already telling you before the price even went there, chat. So we'll see if I'm right or not, right or wrong. So, it might go there and take it out. But if it euro take that out, I mean euro if euro like swipe that low, I'm gonna shift my bias because I'm very bullish on euro and GBP. But right now I'm playing with the market. In the long term, I'm bullish, bro. But that's my last last safety net. So I'm gonna leave euro right here. So yeah, what else? It's in the discount though. And yeah, Geo gonna take out these lows, bro. Geo gonna take out these lows. Let's see. What time is it? It's 8:36. Should we go to NAS? What's your view of risk to reward ratio? Is 1:1 is good or something else? So if you have a good strategy that like give you like how much? If you take like 3 trades in a day, and if you get 2 win, then 1:1 our trade is good. Uh, but if you do not have a good strategy, or you don't have a good win rate, then 1:1 it's not suitable for you. Because if you like have 1:1 our trade, even if you get 1 win, if you lose the second one, you're gonna be break even. So yeah, if you're like if you have like really good win rate, then I could say like 1:1 ratio is good for you. Try to like get 1:2. That's for more easier, bro. All right, chat. I've told you something else on the Discord. You saw me like once we break that high, we are going for this one. We are going for this one, and we're not gonna take any retracement within this price range. Um, yeah, once we broke through that high, let me show pull up the Discord, then you will see what I'm saying. At least if you trade 1:1, then at least 70% win rate. You have to have like 70% win rate, bro. Yep, right now. Yeah. Do you see that, chat? I posted this on the Discord. The daily updates. If we break through that high, we're going up. And yesterday we broke through that high, and we are right now we are around here. So yeah, you see that? If we break through that high, we're gonna go up. I've already like predicted that shit. By the way, chat, this is our official like that's the free Discord server. If you want, you can join that. Mm, let me just change the window. Bro, what the fuck? Every time I just change the screen, it fucking bro. Right there. Right there, chat. Let me take this off. Yeah, it's gonna go up and take out these highs, bro. Mark my words, we're gonna take out this high. Even if like DXY doesn't continue lower, USD JP are gonna take out that low, then fall down. That's like a magnet for USD JP, right? All right, chat. Let's go to next. Or Nas tapped into this daily travel. Yeah. Bro, Nas is just, I think Nas like gonna go lower right now. What do you think about Nas chat? Is it gonna continue any higher or is it gonna go lower? I feel like it has done its upside deliveries and right now it might like just go lower. I don't know, but I feel like it can go lower right now. What do you say? So Nas is uh, in the middle of something, bro. Alright, we might see some reversal from here. I don't know. I want to see something. See a price in few discount right now. People may buy right now, bro. Bro, 830 did give a opportunity to go short on Nas. We had this SMT on Nas, bro. These are the lows chat. So we did have this SMT with ES. So there was a opportunity on Nas too. But whatever, let's move on to our Euro trade. All right, we are almost. How much are we up right now? If I take this high as the, it's almost right now it's 3R right now. If we take out that low, it's gonna be like 5.8 3R, and this right here is a 100 pip trade, bro. I told you I'm most of the time I trade like in my live account. I try to capture like 100 pips for a week. Maybe it's gonna be long-term trade. Maybe I can achieve that in a day. But most of the time, I can achieve those like 80 to 100 pips is easy if you know what's market going and like have a good strategy to capture those movement. All right, bros. Fuck. Chad, I do have a like I have found out like a new strategy for gold. Should I make a video on it? What do you say? If you want to see like a video on gold, tell me. All right, gold might go lower from here. Gold, like I think it's gonna tap into this. So I have this high right here, and yeah, I think it's probably gonna take out these lows. These two lows right there, it can take out these lows. Yeah. Yep, bro. Look at the euro, bro. Look at the euro, bro. Fuck, bro. I think we're gonna hit this. So I entered that on. I think at 11 session. What time was it? It was 3 a.m. I think. No, I entered the trade at 4 a.m. and last contract was at 5 a.m. So this one took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now it's 5 hours right now on this trade. It's running for 5 hours right now. Look at those candles, bro. Those are huge. Each candle is like 20 pips alone, bro. Uh, Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you learned anything new today, yeah, sub up, bro. Sub up. Taran, tan, tarom, tan, taro, tarara, poo, tararo, poo. Dan, 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 poo, 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 poo. But I'll just let it run and let's have a look at NAS. Bro, NAS is just destroying those lows, bro. There's no like, bro, what the fuck? Let's look at it in the 5 minute tips. We do have another CV right there also on NAS. Yeah, it's not gonna go there, is it? Is it gonna? No, it's not gonna go there. So how much TP is that? That's almost 25 points. Let's see if we inverse that. We're going into that CB right there on the 5 minute chart, and then we might fall, bro. We can go down from there also and flip these lows, but yeah, let's see if we inverse that one. We are going up. Do you trade Fridays? Only if I get bold, but I do the live stream during Friday also. Yeah, it's going down. Are you Indian? No, bro, I'm not Indian. All right, let's see how you react after. Yeah, let's see. That's right there, almost like how much point that was, bro? That was like 11 points, bro. I'm seeing some new guys on YouTube. They're like struggling to capture 10 points, bro. 10 points is easy, bro. Let me use this one. All right. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you wanna see ICT on this channel, just sub up, bro. Let's say 20K, and then I'll like request him to, yeah, do a podcast sort of thing on this channel. Yeah, yes is more weaker though. Yeah, yes is more weaker, bro. Why do you guys wanna know like where I'm from so much, bro? I'm only like don't wanna reveal it right now because I have some personal issues with some people right now. Not not that type of deed, but I think when I'm gonna say that some of my own peoples are gonna like be hating me more, bro. So I don't want to let them know where I'm from or what shit I'm doing, as they don't even know what I'm doing right now. They just know that I'm doing a part-time job and living alone. They just know that, bro. Chad, that right there, or like how much point was that, bro? 20 points in that within that three candles, bro. Fuck. Fuck, bro. Yeah, we tap it one more time. Let's see. Fuck. It's like, bro, it's good to like hide your identity, bro. People these days people spread so much hate on one on another, but it's like it's crazy, bro, how people spread hate, bro. For me, I don't even like that shit because my sort of thing is that if you don't like someone or don't like what he's doing, just ignore him, bro. There's a lot of stuff to do. There's a billion stuff to do in this world. So do that, bro. Why are you even saying any shit about him? And sometimes there's like no reason to spread like that much hate. So I personally can't take that, bro. That's why I'm keeping my identity hidden right now. All right, we did had another 10-point move right there. Yeah, bro, that's another 10 points right there. Easy 10 point, bro. Yeah, it's gonna go and take that out. Come on. This candle is gonna spare, bro. Spare through these lows. All right, we reached the midpoint, I guess. Let's see. It's gonna fall sharply, bro. It's gonna fall sharply. I wanna see it move quicker right now because we tapped into that up close candle right there. Let me show you. That right there, I wanna see price move down right now. Based of that move, if we cross that high, I think we're gonna tap into that. I wanna see price right now take out the lows. After that, we might go lower. Maybe inverse these fair value gaps, then we'll go higher. You're right there. Yeah, bro, we had so many like opportunity on Nest today, bro. That right there is a 13 points. I'm sorry, that's already 10 points. If we take up this low, that's gonna be like 13 points, bro. From that uh, order block right there. Let me show you. So that's the order block right there. That upclose candle right there, low of that candle is the order block for me. So that candle, once we cross that low right there, it becomes a propulsion order block. And I don't want to see price violate the midpoint of that down close candle's body. I mean up close candle's body. So it should cause price to go lower sharply. And you see that? There we go, chat. So fucking easy, bro. Bernie, did you catch any move on Nas? Now we can go up. We already swept one low right there. Let me do this white color right there. Bro, so much shit right there. All right, we were close to take out our profit target. Yep, I think we're gonna eat that within the next candle. So we have news at 10 a.m. also, and right, we have like 1 hour left for the news. It is, bro, but you already see this on my screen. We are within that 1 hour daily fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, but I kind of don't think like we can go up. Let's see. But let me see the opening for this. Bro, we moved like how many points did you move already? 186 point move already towards downside, so price might keep going lower. If you want to look for longs today, maybe just target like right there. Target something up here. Something up here you should target that. So alright, now it's reversing. What did I just say, bro? We're gonna swap that. We're gonna yeah. We can inverse this one right here. That could be a long right there from here to, let me show you. Yeah, into the premium right now, maybe around this point. If we inverse that one, so like 10 to 15 points right there. I think we have our uh, what do we call it? No, I'm gonna use this candles opening right there. So there's so many lines on the chart right now. Let's see, chat. We might we'll just keep going lower, but I don't know, bro. Let's fucking see. We already like violated that proposition order block right there. So I think we might reverse this privilege right there and then go up. Let's have a look at. All right, yes, didn't took out that high right there. We did not pick out the high, bro. Chad, we might keep going lower because we haven't swept that high right there. So we are still valid, bro. Let me show you. That's still valid, bro. Once we cross that high right there, the setup is not valid anymore. So go short. Yeah, that's it. We did tap into this one right here. Yeah, right now this candle is gonna work as a proportion order block. If we want to go higher, don't want to see price uh, like it should respect that candle right there. All right, we swept that high right there, Chad. So we might now like keep going higher. I would at least try to capture like 10 points from there. But let's see. Maybe you should have a stop loss right below that. The down close candle. If you want to like capture 10 points right there, it's easy, bro. How many points to stop this? All right. Um, that's for those guys who want to like trade the lower time frame on the 15-second chart. That's a move right there for you guys. Yeah, yes, also to swap that high. Let's see if we can get a nice reaction off of that candle's opening right there. We might go higher. Let me just put it here. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a good reaction off of that. All right, that setup is not valid threat, so we might go lower right now. Yep. Yeah, we're going lower, Chad. We have these lows to be taken more. Yeah, I think we're gonna invest this one too. Yep. Let's say we. So that's 14 points, 12 points stop. So long. Bro, that's fucking like scary, bro. Maybe you should wait for tap into this CB right there. Because it could just go and reverse that one too. Chat, I'll probably just turn off the webcam for some time. Let me turn off the webcam for some time other than like, yeah, I'll just give it off. That's some easy point right there. It is fluctuating so much right now. We can't even say what's gonna happen. We do have like a rejection block down there, but let me see what's next doing, bro. Are we gonna create a like SMT right there? Yeah, try just tap into that. We might just create as SMT right there, but we still need At least we can go down there. While yes, probably yes, gonna make a higher low right there. So next we take out this loss, but I don't know. Let's see. It's hanging around there. Yeah, this 1 minute is coming on me. Bro, that's why 1 minute sure is not for me, bro. Fuck. It's so fucking hard, bro. Yep, we're probably gonna reverse. We could reverse right now. Let's see. Yep, let me take it off. We'll see. What is that sound, bro? All right, bro. This candle should like take out that low right there. This if not this, the next candle, the 10 a.m. candle probably gonna take out the low on G. That's what I'm saying as right now. But let's see. Because if I was in that trade, I was up like 600 bucks, but I did took that on the live account, bro. Yeah, now it will be that now we can take another 10 points right there. Another 10 points. And that's 14 points. There's the 10 points. Bro, whatever, what the fuck even I'm doing right now. By the way, chat, there's like 23 minutes left for the market open. You're trading with live capital. Yeah, I do have a live capital account. I'm not trading that right now because I've captured a nice trade on GU today. I'll probably skip Nash today or any other pair. I'm done for today, chat. I'm already up this week. Yeah, there's easy 10 points, bro. That's more than 10 points. That's almost 12 points. We could have stick to the first one while we inverse that. Price didn't took out that candle's high, bro. I told you it's gonna take out this low. So that's like almost 15 points right there. That's easy, bro. Who the fuck is this guy, bro? Someone just post a comment on the recent video, said like give a credit to Michael, don't just go playing the video as though it's your copyright, no pun intended. Bro, fucking check the description, bro. These things made me like crash out, bro. Fucking check the description, bro. Fuck you, bro. What the fuck are these guys even talking about, bro? All right, the price took out that lower there also. So that's there was 15 points right there for you guys. Bro, even if I do good things for people, they're still gonna spread hate, bro. Fuck, bro. Like, I can't even tolerate that thing, bro. Give credit to Michael. Each of my videos has mentioned in the description like ICT. Still, they say like I don't mention ICT. Bro, I think these streams are gonna have like so many music copyright. Fuck, fuck it. Fuck it, let it have music copyright. So let's just give this a try. Right now I can put on the right thing can. Alright, if we inverse that one, I don't know if we're gonna continue higher from here. Because we are getting closer to the 9:30 market open, like was right there. It might just continue lower. We don't know. By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. If you haven't taken any trade that are up shared right now, then it's a loss, bro. I'm giving like free signals every day, bro. I'm giving free signals every day. All right, price tap into the premium right now, and we do have that inverse parabolic up there. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened, bro? Bro, the internet is like good, but what the fuck? Chad, what the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck just happened, bro? My stream's still going. Bro, the internet connection is good, bro. Fuck no. What the fuck just happened? Bro, trading view is like fucking with me, bro. Fucking at me, right? Let me just put this off. What the fuck? No. Fuck no, bro. Bro, what the fuck is going on, bro? Yeah, right now it's okay. Alright, I chat. Alright, bro, fuck. Keep happening to it. It's not bad. Alright, might go lower right now, a little bit more. Yeah, we have that one too. And let's check on the bro. Fuck, bro. What the fuck? I have to talk to my internet provider, bro. Fuck. Alright, chat. We have this BC right there. I'm not sure if we're gonna continue higher right now, but I think you should probably wait for some time though. We do have these liquidities right here, but I think you should probably wait. If we like continue higher, we're gonna swap these highs, bro. That high right there, you should target for that because most of the stop losses are right here right now. So when the market opens, we might go up and yeah, swap those highs right there. If we go up, these are like relative equal highs right there. Yep, let's see. If we continue upside mid price, there's still like, bro, it's trading right now. We do have that old CB right there. Until we like inverse that one right there. Yeah, we inverse that chat. We inverse that um, CB right there. So I think we can move up right now. Let's see how much point is that's gonna be. All right, price already moved like 10 points, bro. That's easy 10 point. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. I've like given you like two signals on Nest today. You should be thankful for that, bro. Let me check that guy on there. Let me check the guy, bro, who just told me like I don't mention ICT in the fucking desk in my videos. Fuck you, bro. What the fuck do you even? Yeah, that's a like that's a woman, and yep, I thought, bro, that's a woman, bro. And they don't even like lol. What's funny about this, bro? What are you? What seems funny to you, bro? Time bender market maker, small fuck, bro. Price just moved from that BC right there, almost like it's already moved like 27 points there. Yeah, these are the highs you should be looking at. Let me see. Yep, yep, I see my PDOS. Hey, it's gonna take up this high strat. Not gonna lie. Yeah, We might just inverse that CV right there. If we fail to inverse that, we can continue lower, but I kind of think like we're gonna swap these highs. Let's see. Now you should look for every like fair value gap or order blocks to be respected. Let's see. Let's fucking see, bro. Let's fucking see. Come on, come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Alright, I have 74k. Yeah, 74k. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck is going on with my internet connection, bro? Just keep like doing this shit, bro. Fuck. Fuck, I can go. Fuck. The fuck? Bro, the internet connection is good, bro. It's working on my phone. Well, but what the fuck is going on my PC, bro? Alright, I'll have to reload this again, bro. Fuck. Yeah, that motherfucker just playing with me. That's just fuck. Alright, chat, let's see. I would love to see that second BC right there, that lower one, remain unfilled, bro. From there to there, that could be a setup right there. You can put your stop loss right below that candle. It's up to you, but if we want to go higher, we should not like fill that BC right there. That's like 20 points there. Yeah, bro, that's funny, bro. And she's a woman, bro. And we know how women are like. So, what can I say, bro? That's funny. When I saw that, uh, it made me like, what the fuck? I don't mention ICT in my videos. Just check the fucking description, bro. My channel even have ICT's name on it. The name is Next Generation ICT. So the channel name contains ICT, and that motherfucker like saying that I don't mention ICT in my videos. What the fuck, bro? Right, let's see chat. It'd be nice to see that right there remain unfilled, bro. Let me see it. Fuck.